The old saying goes, you usually get what you pay for. And in the gun world, that's often the truth. But here's the thing. That doesn't mean you can't pick up a brand new 9mm pistol that's reliable, dependable, and easy on the wallet. Whether you're buying your very first sidearm, looking for a backup gun, or just want a cheap range companion, there are a few options out there that hover right around or sometimes even dip under that $200 line. Now, the sticker price on paper is usually higher, but in the real world, street prices often slide into that budget territory. So let's walk through 3 handguns that prove you don't have to break the bank to arm yourself responsibly. Number 1. Taurus G2C. The Taurus G2C has made a serious name for itself with shooters who want a carry pistol that won't drain their bank account. MSRP runs about $340, but in many gun shops and online listings, it routinely lands closer to that $200 sweet spot. This pistol hit the scene in 2018 as the successor to the old PT-111 Millennium, and since then, it's been one of Taurus's strongest performers in the budget category. We're talking 12+1 capacity, polymer frame, compact size with ergonomics that actually feel good in the hand. The grip texture is aggressive enough to keep it planted, and the adjustable rear sights are something you don't usually see on pistols this cheap. Now, not everything's perfect. The trigger is long, it's gritty, and a lot of shooters hate the manual thumb safety, which frankly feels unnecessary on a striker-fired gun. But here's the bottom line. The G2C runs reliably with a wide variety of ammo, and for under $200, it's one of the best budget concealed carry choices on the market. Number 2. Diamondback DB9 Gen 4. If you're looking for something truly compact, something you can hide just about anywhere, the Diamondback DB9 Gen 4 deserves attention. Retail sits around $305, but with the right timing, you can absolutely score one under 200. Now, let's be clear. Earlier versions of the DB9 had their issues, but this 4th generation model cleaned up a lot of that baggage. Diamondback Firearms, out of Florida, started back in 1989 machining parts before jumping into full firearm production. Since then, they've built a rep for solid design work without inflating prices. The Gen 4 version is lightweight, with aggressive grip texturing and Glock-compatible sights huge, plus if you ever want to upgrade your sight picture. It's also rated for plus P9mm, which you don't always see in a micro-compact this small. On the downside, the trigger is still long and gritty. The mag release isn't perfectly placed for all hands, and sometimes the magazine doesn't drop free. But if you snag one in good condition, give it a solid function check, and put some rounds through it at the range. The DB9 Gen 4 gives you an ultra-concealable pistol that's still capable of serious defensive work. Number 3. Taurus G3C. After the G2C proved itself, Taurus followed it up with the G3C, and it came with some real upgrades. MSRP is the same ballpark, about $340. Street price is usually closer to $240, but don't be surprised if you catch it on sale under $200, usually packaged with just one mag. Extra mags run about $24 a piece. So what changed? The G3C sports a noticeably better trigger. The factory steel sights are stronger and easy to swap. Capacity stays the same, 12+1, but the grip texture was tuned for even more control, especially if you're shooting hotter loads. The trigger redesign is a step in the right direction. But some shooters still complain about sharp edges, and the thumb safety is still there for those who don't want it. That said, reliability is where the G3C shines. It cycles just about every brand of ammo you feed it, and it balances concealability with shootability better than most pistols in this price class. Bottom line, if you want a compact handgun that runs like a workhorse and doesn't feel like a budget gun, the G3C is worth a hard look. Number 4. Hi-Point C9. When people talk about bare-bones budget pistols, this one always comes up. The Hi-Point C9 is about as simple as it gets, an American-made single-stack 9mm that's been around for more than 2 decades. MSRP floats just above $200, but most of the time, you'll see them on shelves closer to $175. That makes it one of the cheapest working handguns you can buy brand new. Hi-Point is based in Ohio, and their whole philosophy has always been rugged utility over looks. The C9 is proof of that. It's not sleek, It's not light, and it won't win any beauty contests. But it does one job well. It goes bang when you need it to. The fixed barrel design gives it more accuracy than you'd expect at this price point. And the adjustable rear sight is actually useful, not just a molded piece of plastic. Now, the trade-off is that blowback operation requires a huge slide. That makes the pistol top-heavy, with balance that feels awkward in the hand. The grip is chunky, and after a long range session, comfort is not its strong suit. But here's the thing. If all you need is a working 9mm for the lowest possible cost, the C9 delivers. For around $175, you've got a no-nonsense pistol that's ugly, heavy, but absolutely functional. Number 5. Hi-Point YC9 Yeet Cannon. This is the modernized cousin of the old C9. Officially, it's the Hi-Point YC9, but online gun culture christened it the Yeet Cannon, and the name stuck. Retail hovers around $229. Street price often dips under $200. That makes it one of the cheapest double-stacked 9mm pistols you can get new in box. What makes it stand out is the threaded barrel. At this price point, that's almost unheard of. Like the C9, it's a fixed barrel design, which gives you respectable accuracy, especially when you bench it. But, just like its older brother, the design has quirks. The slide is massive, adding a ton of weight up top. That raises the bore axis, and recoil comes off snappy with more muzzle rise than you'd want. The trigger? Mushy. The magazine release? Sometimes stubborn, and if you don't hold it with a solid grip, reliability can suffer. That said, plenty of shooters run them without issue. When it's dialed in, the YC9 punches way above its price tag. If you're on a tight budget and want something newer, with a few more modern touches than the old C9, the Yeet Cannon is worth a look. Number 6. BRG9 Elite. Now this one's a sleeper. The BRG9 Elite comes out of Turkey, built by Berg Metal, and imported here by Buffalo Cartridge Company. Sticker price is close to $400, but here's the kicker: you'll see it pop up under $200 if you catch the right sale. First impression? It looks and feels like a Springfield XD clone, and that's not a bad thing. 4-inch barrel, 16+1 capacity, polymer frame, 3-dot sights, and an accessory rail for lights or lasers. But here's the smart twist: they made it compatible with CZ75B magazines. That means cheap, reliable mags are everywhere, which is a huge plus. On the range, it shoots clean. Recoil is mild. The 5-pound trigger has a crisp break, and most shooters report almost zero feed or ejection problems. It's not perfect. The grip texture is on the light side and you don't get any optics cut. But for a sub-$200 pistol, those are nitpicks. The BRG9 Elite feels way more expensive than it is, and for folks on a budget, it's one of the best-kept secrets in the 9mm world. Number 7. American Tactical FXS9. Next up, the American Tactical FXS9. This one's a full-size 9mm striker-fired pistol, built in Turkey by TSAS and imported by American Tactical. MSRP runs about $250, but real-world pricing usually dips under $200, putting it right into budget territory. Think of it as a duty-size gun with entry-level pricing. 17-round capacity, polymer frame, and a grip profile that's straightforward and easy to handle. Like the BRG9, it takes CZ75B mags, which are plentiful and inexpensive. That's a big win if you plan to stock up on magazines for training. Performance-wise, it cycles most 9mm loads without issue. Some folks report hiccups with aluminum-cased ammo, but that's common across a lot of budget-tier guns. Ergonomics are solid, recoil is easy to manage, and while the looks are a little plain, the FXS9 gets the job done, whether that's for home defense, a range pistol, or just a reliable truck gun. For under $200, it checks every important box: capacity, reliability, and usability. Not fancy, but very capable. Number 8. Derya Arms DY9. Here's one that flies under the radar for a lot of folks: the Derya Arms DY9. This pistol is imported into the US by Rock Island Armory. Size-wise, it mirrors a third-generation Glock 19. Compact frame, similar profile, and it hits a price point that's hard to ignore. On paper, MSRP sits around $400, but if you shop smart, Real-world pricing usually lands well under $200. That makes it a very attractive option for new shooters, or anyone wanting a solid budget sidearm without breaking the bank. Derya Arms has been building firearms out of Turkey since the late 1990s. They're well established, and this design reflects that experience. You're looking at a 4.02-inch barrel, capacity of 15+1, polymer frame construction, and a big bright fiber optic front sight that's easy to pick up in daylight. One standout feature here is the grip system. You get 4 interchangeable backstraps. That allows you to tailor the fit for different hand sizes, and it's especially helpful for shooters with larger palms. Internally, this handgun is compatible with third-generation Glock components. That's a major advantage because it means parts and aftermarket support are everywhere. From triggers to recoil springs to sights, you've got options. On the range, reports are solid. Most users find it feeds and cycles a wide variety of ammunition with little to no drama. The trigger is serviceable, not crisp, not terrible. It's what you'd expect in this price bracket. The only real gripe I've seen is with certain magazine base plates. Some don't seat perfectly without extra pressure. But when you weigh that against a sub-$200 price tag, it's a small issue. Bottom line, the Derya DY9 gives you Glock-like performance without the Glock price. It's reliable, it's affordable, and it works as a carry gun, a training pistol, or a defensive sidearm for anyone on a budget. And with that, we've covered 8 different handguns that prove a simple point. If you take your time, shop carefully, and stay patient, you can absolutely land a dependable 9mm pistol for around $200. Whether you're brand new to shooting, a budget-conscious buyer, or just building out your collection without draining your wallet, these models give you options that balance cost, function, and reliability. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me which one you'd trust as your budget 9mm and why.